This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by checking iCloud Sync for your iPhone Notes app right now. Open Settings and tap your name to access iCloud options easily. Confirm Notes is toggled on under iCloud Settings and Syncing. Next, visit iCloud. And sign in with your Apple ID to view Notes online. Look for missing notes in the Notes web app and in Recently Deleted. Finally, check iCloud Storage and the backup date shown under Manage Storage to confirm recent backups exist. If notes are not in iCloud, restore them from a backup on your computer. First, check which backup has the notes by noting the backup date and device name. On a Mac, use Finder. On older Macs or Windows, use iTunes to restore the appropriate backup file. Connect your iPhone with a cable and choose Restore Backup in Finder or iTunes after selecting the correct backup. Ensure the backup's iOS version is compatible with your device before starting the restore process. If direct restores fail, use a trusted third-party recovery tool cautiously to scan iCloud or local backups. Choose software with clear reviews and export options, and run a scan on the backup files you identified earlier. When notes are recovered, export them as PDF or plain text and save to 2 separate backup locations like an external drive and cloud storage. Finally, enable automatic iCloud backup and perform a manual local backup weekly to prevent future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.